I'm Maxwell Gallup. I'm the managing director of Menatwork. Menatwork is a construction management and design firm focusing on old Toronto homes. My dad was what we'd call probably a successful rock star through his 20s. Met my mom that way. They bought a home in the Junction here in Toronto. At some point they started deciding that they needed to work on improving it. Menatwork was born almost 36 years ago now. Believe it or not, my mom came up with the name. It was a bit of a jab, but it's time to get to work. But also at the time, which you won't see anymore, were these common diamond Menatwork construction signs. That was our first logo to remodel a home. It's not just our team or our company that's really sort of fulfilling the commitment. We're working with all these other local trades. So when you're pursuing a home renovation, you're kind of supporting local in a sense because everyone has to come together.
The most rewarding aspect, I think, would be when a project comes to completion and just knowing, okay, that was someone who had come through the website X amount of months ago or had seen our Instagram or had spoken with our renovation consultants. So many parties had come together to make it come to life. When homeowners move into their new home, it's extremely rewarding.
QuickBooks has really sort of been a household name for us almost my whole life because of my dad running his own business and using QuickBooks from the very beginning. Most construction managers or designers, they're on the road a lot, they're jumping between projects. That's the most fun that really comes with the nature of what we do. So something like QuickBooks has really helped, especially when we migrated to QuickBooks Online, allowing us to work remotely or be flexible in that way. We went through the process of evaluating more of the traditional ERP solutions out there, concluded that the QuickBooks on its own for our needs was going to perfectly serve as the sort of backbone or heart of our technology ecosystem. And so other tools that we find helpful for that field-related work can integrate with QuickBooks and leverage it in ways that equips our team with information it needs and equips me with the information I need to make good decisions. How I would define success: helping bring to life some vision or solution to a problem that our clients feel that they were experiencing. Then for our team, maybe even more so, that they're feeling inspired and motivated to show up every day and prioritizing the relationship over simply just making sure we build this thing correctly.